7 years of House of Prayer in Slavonski Brod. I'm so happy that I was a part of the start when the House of Prayer started. My name is Johannes and I'm leading the House of Prayer here in Germany, and I've been friends with the Doma Molitve House of Prayer for many years, and I'm so encouraged to see the passion and the fire of those people who are so passionate for Jesus. And I send warm greetings and much love. Really, Jesus is worth it to be adored and loved and worshipped day and night. And that's what we are doing in Augsburg. That's what we see happening all across the earth, and that's what's happening in Croatia as well. And you guys have a lot of impact throughout the whole nation of Croatia. It's just wonderful to see, and I send a lot of greetings and love from Augsburg, and looking forward to see you again. Blessing and happy anniversary, 7 years.
Greetings from the Sion Community Chapel here in Brentwood in England. I want to greet everybody at the House of Prayer in Slavonski Brod and to say congratulations to you on your 7th anniversary. I pray that God continues to bless you, your community, and all the House of Prayer ministry. God bless you. Bye.